Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we'll be working on a little bit of a different project. We aren't working on the 52 Chevy, but my buddy Robert's coming over and I'm gonna actually help him install running boards on his 2018 Ford Explorer XLT. So before he gets here, I need to get my 34 Dodge right here out from underneath the lift, get the trailer down off the lift with all the truck parts on it, get that off the lift so we can actually use the lift and pull his Explorer right on here to work on the running boards. So we're gonna get the Dodge out, we're gonna get the trailer off, and we're gonna get his truck on. So let's do it. Got some crap to clean up along the runways here. Throw that in the trailer, get this scooted out. So I've got everything picked up around the trailer. The trailer is ready to wheel out, but it is kind of heavy. So as soon as Robert gets here, I'm gonna make him help me get it out. And it looks like he just got here right now. Woohoo! So Robert has arrived. Yeah! I gotta mic you up. That's fine. Robert's unboxing this. So this is for a 2018 Ford Explorer XLT running boards. Part number RBF106B. So, it's bolting the front bracket on, or attempting to anyway. Okay, so that's pretty much, that's it right there. It's not tight. You gotta drill a hole. I gotta drill a hole, but I just want to kind of get them in position.
Yeah, no, it's good.
So we know that's good. So actually, I'll do the other side.
You want me to get it?
Yeah, grab that one. And we know this will be...
Just tell me what you need, man. I'll grab stuff so you don't have to keep coming back and forth.
Oh no, the car's on fire. Cool.
Yeah, man.
Front and backs are done.
Sweet. Centers and...
Now the centers are kind of funky, but now I understand what's going on, so that's a good sign. Tighten these up just to pinch it in there.
Ah!
See me move quickly and loosen.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so that does push against. Okay, so that pushes, when you step, push down, kind of acts as a lever and pushes this up against the floor.
Oh, that's perfect. Set?
We can set the running board on now.
You want it on there?
Yeah.
We'll line up all these deals. Is it universal? So front or back doesn't matter as long as you're on the...
Yeah, I think it's the same on both.
Okay.
So we're just setting the running board in place now. Just working on getting the nuts underneath here tightened down. So I've got this bracket right here. There's a bolt that kind of slides in up here. You need to drill a hole right here. And that's gonna be a threaded insert. Back in the center here, it kind of pinches on the weld here. Pinches on there, then we put one bolt through the center to hold that in place. This bracket shoots out up underneath the board there. And in the back, slide back with the light. There's 2 threaded bolts that kind of weave it into these existing holes. We just tighten those down. I have to drill a hole right here, put a threaded insert in, and it's rinse and repeat on the passenger side.
Yeah, I would say we should favor it to the back.
So the seat's going to be
Yeah,
here.
when people get out, and we don't need all the way to the front here. So I'm gonna try and align it with this door seam.
Yep. Oh, hang on.
Okay, you're right to the left.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's gotta come forward a little.
Yeah, this has got wonky.
Sorry. How's that?
That's going to be bolted right where that is. That's straight. Does that look good for you?
That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So you're about,
See here. I think that's good, man. Yeah, it's good.
Driver's side, complete. Thing's looking beautiful.
Yeah, man.
We'll just have to make sure it's where you positioned.
Yeah, give me the tape. I put it up on the thing there.
Got it.
Give me a measurement on that side, and we'll line it up over here.
got it.
So we've got these 3 brackets kind of loosely positioned into place. We need to drill the front and the back just like we did on the driver's side, but we need to get everything tightened up on the actual running board itself before we finish off tightening up all the brackets itself. So right now we've got the rear passenger side bracket all completely bolted up into place. Here's what the center bracket looks like, clipped onto the actual pinch weld. And we have the front bracket bolted on. And we've got driver's side front bracket bolted on, center bracket, and we have the rear bracket fully bolted into place. So right now, we should be done. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for this video. As you can see, we got the running boards installed on the 2018 Ford Explorer XLT. They came out absolutely perfect. Once we figured out which brackets went to what bolts and how everything was going to bolt underneath the truck, everything went super smooth after that. We only had to drill, I think, 4 holes for the installation. Super easy once again. So coming up in a future video, we're going to have a ton of new shop content. By new shop content, you're just going to have to stay tuned and see what I actually mean about that. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Smash that big red subscribe button. Smash that notification icon down below so you know when I do post future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.